What's going on, YouTube? Where we at? We're gonna go get the most expensive patties in Toronto. These are the most expensive patties in Toronto. I think it's like $10 or $11. So it's by a place called Patois, and they got like a patty shop or a cafe shop beside it, and they're selling like $10 patties. And we're not talking like oxtail patties or like anything big. They do have a curry goat one, I believe, a regular beef with brisket or some shit. I don't know. I came here like 2 years ago when I first started out. That video went viral, so I'm coming back to see how the patties actually are, because I went to Jamaica recently and I had Devon House patties, and it's kind of like a Devon House dupe. So we're gonna see. So we had June plum. They do have a nice, it's a nice seating area too, I'm not gonna lie. Got a June plum sign, we got merch, we got everything in here. I'm wondering if I should stay here, like try it. So this is the $10 patty. Take a look. Then this is the curry goat one. You pay $10 for it. This is the beef brisket and oxtail gravy. Trying to think. Can there be patties for $10? Yes. Should these patties be for $10? Last time I checked, no. But we're gonna find out today, because we gotta figure out if June plum is a pyramid scheme or it's like the triangle offense. You know what I'm saying? $10 for a patty. Yo, $10. Yo, I'm fresh from Jamaica. So I'm telling you, I had Devon House. The Devon House dupe on the foot bottom crack too. So we got the Devon House dupe. I came here like 2 years ago, and I kind of did my honest opinion on this place. So we're back. I got the 2 patties again. $22. $22. Hold on. Let me show you what I got for $22. Cause y'all probably don't. Y'all probably don't believe me. This $22 for these 2 titties. These 2. Are these worth $22 in your opinion? This one is the beef and brisket gravy. You know, we got the Devon House dupe. Not as flaky as it was 2 years ago when I had it. Not as flaky as it was 2 years. Not as flaky. Alright. And then we have the curry goat one. Y'all tell me if the goat look like goat. Is it Serena? Is it Gretzky? Jordan? What it look like? Bogmaclad. No better pack. Yo, they still can't buy better. Yo, why they can't buy a better pack? The goat kind of look like UK. Grey. This is grey. Grey's Anatomy. This is Grey's Anatomy settings. Oh my days. Nah, y'all think I'm lying. Not even the sunlight can get. Oh, nah, y'all think I'm lying. This thing is gray. This thing is gray. So I'll put a video of how the Devon House patties look, and y'all tell me, y'all be honest with me, because people think I'm hating. But let's try it. Like, looks can be deceiving, right? Nope. Bro, honestly speaking, a goat and a goat, a sheep. This is a sheep. This is not a goat. This is not a goat, bro. It's not a goat. Absolutely not. I wasted another $22. That's crazy. All right, let's try the beef now. The beef, I'll say that it looks better than Devon House beef. Devon House beef patty is not good. But let's see if this place can be good. Let's try it. No, this is not it. And bro, why is this so... It's given like... stretchy. Like, you see that? It's so rubbery. Alright, hold on. No man, this needs seasoned to the bone. This needs seasoned to the bone. Honestly, the crust was good last time I came here. But I didn't like the inside. Now, I don't like both of them. I don't like both of them. Both of them. I don't like both of them. I'm not gonna lie. The inside was bad, the outside was bad. They're both baddie friends. That's just how I see it. That's just how I see it. I'm giving this... Bro, not even the crust is good. And they've been open. So what I'll say this. If you're a patty company out there and you're thinking about getting in the patty game, if you have a decent crust and you can find a good filling, I'm telling you, you can charge $10 per patty because you're doing it downtown Toronto, Dundas Street West, and they've been open for 2 years. Not that I want any business to be closed, you know, that's not what I'm doing it here for. I'm just being honest with the food. All I'm saying is other patty places, Jamaican patty places, don't be afraid to do some gourmet style patty that's good, but charge what you have to charge. Because if I find a good oxtail patty like what I had in England, in Toronto, bro, I'll be there every week. Evidently, I can spend $22 to waste money. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, like, comment, sub, and let's see where we end up next. Forward.